Where the hell am I? Where are the horses? Bonkable? Yako? Orb? Where are the birds? Where are the horses? Welcome back, everyone. Sorry about that. My cousin is weird. He wanted to come along on this, but I think he forgot this morning. So we're back here at the undisclosed location doing one of my favorite things, continuing testing the soda can launcher, or as it's now become named, Butler. Yeah, Butler. And this time I brought some targets. So you can see we got some vases and some plates. Now, before we start shooting these, I want to try something. And it's about the same size. I'm gonna do it from right here. I used to play disc golf, and actually I'm gonna cut to the GoPro here and make sure everything is still recording. So before we go, I'm gonna throw this like a disc golf disc and see what happens. Woo! It survived. I wasn't expecting that. I'm gonna throw it again. Come on, break. There we go. I think that was successful. All right. Let's set up and have us a little fun, shall we? That's all the air I have left. Okay, doing it quick. We are hot. Sending it in 3, 2, 1. I missed. Okay. 3, 2, 1. It worked. I hit it that time. Was expecting a little bit more oomph out of it. Expecting a lot more oomph out of it. Come on. Clearing them. Wait, what? Okay, on cell phone. I just picked this up and put it back here. Look at what it did to the wood. Look at that. Cool. Let's try again. Bang! 3, 2, 1. Uh-oh. Oh, shoot. Firing! 3, 2, 1. Oh, nuts. What happened? What happened? Okay, clearing them. What in the heck is going on? I'm leaving the car on, so we have air. Firing, 3, 2, 1. I loaded it. Okay. Going again. 3, 2, 1. Yay! They're surviving. All right, she's safe. So I haven't been entirely honest with you guys. I made something special, a special piece of ammunition. I'm surprised these guys are standing up fine. I mean, we did crack this one. I don't know if that was me throwing it or if it actually got cracked, but man, Dollar Tree stuff. So what this is, I'm calling it the Send It. Takes a GoPro, puts it in here, makes it safe, and then it comes out of, well, the other barrel. I'm not shooting it out of this one. Saying that right now. So I'm gonna set up some plates and we'll shoot at that. You're going in. Good luck. Don't die. Firing the GoPro. And 3, 2, 1. Oh, that was cool. That was cool. That was cool. Oh, gotta go stop it. 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 I lost 2 screws. Okay. Okay. Firing the GoPro. And 3, 2, 1. Freaking awesome. Oh, it worked. It freaking worked. It worked! Boy, does it work! Okay, so, oh, that's what broke. Anyways, sorry, I put braces on. Anyway, wow, it breaks plates. I wonder what else it can break. But that'll be a question for next time. And this needs to get broken. This is on the list. This is on my shit list. That'll be broken next time, hopefully. But if no one's told you today, I'm gonna tell you from the bottom of my heart, I love you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. This thing will make some more appearances. Thank you to my little brother for allowing me to borrow his hero session with the conditions of, how attached to this are you, monkey? He said, not very. So, but hey, you gotta trust in my designs. You gotta trust in, I gotta trust in my own designs, and you get to see a really cool camera angle. And yes, it's still on, it's still blinking blue, saying it needs to be connected. Is that paint? Anyway, bye, love you. We've got more plates to shoot later. Bang, 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's what I wanted. That's what I wanted right there. That's exactly what I wanted.